To pull text using pull font feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under size and zoom section, tap font size and style. And then tap the gray on offset next to bold font until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When bold font feature is on, your phone will bold all fonts on your phone to increase its visibility by making them thicker and darker than the regular style. Also, by bolding text, you can make the text more readable and scannable. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.